I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 25. That's section 3. The instruction is after each of the following sentences given to us, we have a list of possible interpretations, and we are to select the one that is most appropriate for each sentence. Now, the sentence given to us is looking after young children can tax one's patience. Now, this means that looking after young children, A, is pleasant, B, requires endurance, C, is a lot of fun, D, takes time. So the expression we are looking at is to tax one's patience. To tax one's patience. To tax one's patience means to require or to demand endurance. To require endurance. To require endurance. So to require endurance basically is option B, which is requires endurance, and that is our answer, option B. So looking after young children can tax one's patience. This means that looking after young children requires endurance. So the answer is B. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers and for more videos. Thank you.